Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI-powered image generation with Deepseek's latest model that is named as Janus Pro. So Deepseek has been gaining popularity these days, and as you can see that currently I'm in Deepseek. Over here, you won't be able to see the option of generating AI images. So let's just ask it if it can generate image for us. So can you generate image for us? So let's just see what it says. As you can see that it is saying that I can't generate or create images directly. However, I can provide you describe or conceptualize an image or guide you how to create using the tools like Midjourney and these. So as you can see that this is Janus AI Pro. So you just have to come to this website. So DeepSeek has recently released it, and it is an open source multimodal AI model that is designed for the tasks like text to image generation and image to text conversions. So it is a versatile tool that's both accessible and cost effective. So in order to get started here, you just have to, again, as I said earlier, come to the official website, and over here you can either install it in your device or you can just simply provide your prompt here. So you just have to scroll down a bit and you need to provide your prompt in this section. You can even upload any image for references. After that, you will have to click on the generate image, and it will take some time in order to generate the images for you. Now currently it is saying that the images or my query is in the queue, so it might take some time in order to generate the images. The second thing that you can do is you can simply, as it is saying that you can describe and conceptualize the images. Basically you can generate the image prompt from DeepSeek, and then you can generate the images with the help of DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, etc. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.